Teringchilo nito nishu tsapshi dawa gube tse shi ni sugar gawe potang tu chinor gongsa kemke chumbo choki Ramon Magsaysay sengda tepse ginzi lenzo tang songmi kachi teshin sengda shinyongke gyagar ki minaje la jeka kadin zete kalupze na yoba mase pe dun dube petep greatness of spirit shebashi uje ki gombokhan nicho la sengda tingi bishe zete longo tukju renga kuwe tujin songzi shu nang song. Kabdir gombokhan nicho ki tsobo pe ne gyagar la tuje dupe bate mudik badan tengdu tseri bal hendu kodurgi koga mangbo chungyo ba kaze ze songwa da tel khan nicho nangba sangi be tegi we tarup dikba zinkhen shi imba mase she ne teba topgyo bate kelje imba tang labar du zambu lingdir shide yongchir du tsewa me be tarup tengi me du mirungwa shi imbe tsangme ter bezo nangoge imbe kaze ze song.
Ene gyagar ya ngazo mudik binyamdo ya 믿음 미천의 구두치야 그거 여기 있는데 내가 별이야 배시장장 대셔시 대답면 저기 모두가 처조님들이야 구두치야디 편도 쇼총 엔 대도 셔시 천리고 먹고 싶도고래 르릉고 주단데 그래서 낭배 흉내 되는 거 춘주간에 럽셔에 르릉 뒤터네 샤바셔서 유대 다 낭고 많이 봐 근데 모두가 흉데 천리고도 먹고 구두치야 그거죠 어느 정도 뒤에 장네 에네 나지 다 지난바 대나네 태유 가베 신의 대화토거서네 그 태유를 좀더 생각하디요 난 이리신도 검제베 거둘러 내 태유 삼로띠 인더스다기 장주고 섬다 시력을 전에 돈이 다와니오데 송도제니 저가야 라마다가 삼다기 돈이 따와 걸이야 고불루르고 기루지 쇼데 배정할 때 소인 애니 자가가 뜻도 좋은데 처음에 봤을 때 시우지서 버리셔 그래서 사말로 저불이 시디스거래 저거도 처음에 봤을 때 시우지 계속 버리고
제가 줍삼수 사괴베 레멘 맥세사이 생다 탭세 긴진 헨조기 초조 참고 체체 라자로 라수 체디 슈버 콩키 진노 공사 캠킨 춤보 초라 지달 스뎁 슈버터 공복한 이초기 시시 상부요 소베 소저와 투줄하 디가 슈거 두제가 체도 차와 임바테지기 제케갑 공복한 이초니 니샤 퀸두 냠네 제심베 체와 메베 따둡 계제 임바 롱데 낭송.
This is a group from the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation, which was organized because the Dalai Lama agreed to have an audience with us. So there's over about 60 people who have come to Dar es Salaam to pay him respect and to see him. And it was a most, I think, a blessed visit for us. We feel very blessed by this opportunity to have seen him and to have listened to his words of wisdom. We thank the people of the Dalai Lama's office and Dar es Salaam for welcoming us so warmly. He spoke about his philosophy that he said every time he wakes up in the morning, his philosophy is to empty his soul to be able to receive the messages. He talked about nonviolence as a form of philosophy and that he wished for nonviolence to dominate events in what's happening to us.
Tadung sobe ngone padin shibe pe dune tube pedep greatness of spirit shebadini sobe sengda shege mina sumgya shibju shibge gi logvi tang chagle kurngode chebashi gombokhan ichone uje na yobadantel sobe eshi ekyen yongsu chizo shebshu ledön so tugen ki sengsu thembe mina chela chede gi sengda bygi yoba song.
It's called the Greatness of Spirit book series, which showcases 348 laureates who have been awarded by the Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation for their spirit of what we call greatness of spirit. This is the work that they do all over Asia. We cover the whole of Asia to be able to recognize people who have contributed greatly to making life in Asia better, especially for those who are underprivileged and marginalized sectors of society.
Tare jejarwa khonsu sengda dingi shinyongke gyagar mina sishuwa surba chizo da pime rawa tabzui bar luben chemo chamku Aruna Roy la thang Tsomba bodan tabzui ba TM Mishra la gyagar shirim mimang tue ubon namgi nuba gontor tongkin ki choba gun sheba sarzu nangkin kushab anshu gupta la teshin gyagar tongseba ubon chedu solar electric light company selco kele yu tungyu rogram nangkin kushab hari shande la chene tering gongsa choku ngwe jega shube kokop toba te mikse gi chowa shik chongsong sheta gombo khani choni jigden dir sunbur ne yebe lapshen gi kewo shik yimba lawar du tering chamningje dan sewa membe tadub da dene kalup kating tserwa te khonam la mutu chizo shabde dubyu semshu parma shik ke chungwa sedwe nangsong.
His Holiness has means a very great deal to me. I met him first when I was a 10-year-old in 1956, and I have met him ever since many times. He's come to our place in Rajasthan. He has blessed us there in the Barefoot College in Tilonia. I have met him in Dharamshala before. For me, he's one of the greatest human beings alive today, and his blessings mean that I will be able to work more for the poor with compassion and kindness, and I'll be able to bear in mind his advice that one should never lose sight of kindness and compassion.
I think he's one of the most special human beings in the world, and I think that's because the simple word goodness is actually a rare word and a rare quality, and that is something felt. And I think to be able to live all your life speaking truth, speaking with utmost honesty and love and compassion and faith and rationality, a combination that is very rare to get, in spite of all that has been thrown at him through life. And to be able to convey that not just in words, but in the way he has lived and in the way he has accepted. And I think that is not just unique, it is very, very profound. It's very profound, and I think I've had the pleasure of attending his lectures more than once in Delhi, and to be in his presence is more than a blessing. A blessing, I think, is probably not the right word. I think it is something we'll all treasure.
No, I think it's a very, very emotional moment, and I think many of us were in tears because these are like certain kind of dreams, and someone talking about peace in the morning, which resonates so well with all of us as the conscious citizen of the world. And what is happening these days, many of us get up very disturbed, and then you see this message and listening from him. Not that we don't know his messaging, but you hear it from say a feet away. I think that's a blessing.
I think he's been an inspiration, and we met him last in '98 when we put solar in Mundugod when they were building the monastery. I think he's been a champion of peace, and the best part is recently he's been pushing for the saving the environment along with peace. And today's message was very clear. His Holiness has been how do we look at peace, and for peace is like how do we look at environment, humanity, empathy together, and that's the message I would take away. Yeah.
Shize Magsaysay shebe sengda theni Philippines sinzi surba kushab Ramon Magsaysay choki cento du tomar chilojikdong gubya ngabju ngabdin lor sarzu nangshin sengda theri yongda su ishi nobe sengda shi shiso yebatan chilojikdong gubya ngabju ngagu chinda gebe se sumju soje ni gongsa chola sengda the bushe ze gap kui chembo kasur gyalo thundup cho chebeb nang yobar re.